Cattail.
Fun, fun. Future, future. Game, game. Garden, garden. Gas, gas.
They talk about the future. A future garden. A future game. It sounds fun. Oh no! Green gas!
Gentleman, gentleman. Get, get. Girl, girl. Give, give. Glad, glad.
A gentleman meets a girl. He gives her a gift. She is glad. She gets flowers too.
Glass, glass. Go, go. Goal, goal. God, God. Gold, gold.
A glass. A glass made of gold? Oh my God! A ball goes into a goal.
Good, good. Goodbye, goodbye. Grandfather, grandfather. Grape, grape. Grass, grass.
Grandfather.
Goodbye. See you soon.
He is sitting on the grass. He likes the grapes. They taste good.
Gray, gray. Great, great. Green, green. Ground, ground. Group, group.
The gray statue is on the green grass. A group of kids sees it. It looks great. Suddenly, the ground shakes.
Grow, grow. Guess, guess. Guitar, guitar. Gum, gum. Guy, guy.
Guess what? This guy grows something. A gumball tree. And guess what? He can play the guitar too.
Habit, habit. Hair, hair. Hamburger, hamburger. Hand, hand. Hang, hang.
Captain Cattail's habit. He hangs his cloak. He brushes his hair. He washes his hands. He eats a hamburger. That's his habit.
Happy, happy. Hard, hard. Hat, hat. Hate, hate. Have, have.
He has a hat. He is happy. The wind blows hard. He hates Tangle Tang.
He, head, head. Heart, heart. Hit, hit. Heavy, heavy.
He has a big head. His heart is kind. His bag is heavy. The heat feels good.
Hello. Hello. Helmet. Helmet. Help. Help. Here. Here. Hero. Hero.
Help! Help!
Hello. Put on this helmet. Here you go.
You are my hero.